A clean pool is a happy pool. A happy pool is a swimmer's paradise. You want a swimmer's paradise, right? Then listen up. Imagine diving into sparkling water. No leaves tickling your toes. No mystery goo clinging to your swimsuit, just pure, refreshing fun, but a clean pool doesn't magically clean itself, sadly. That's where you, my friend, come in. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it looks. This guide will turn you into a pool cleaning pro in no time. We'll break down each step, we'll laugh at some common blunders, we've all been there. And soon, you'll be the envy of all your pool-owning pals. Ready to get started? Let's go. First things first, grab your trusty pool skimmer. It's your new weapon against unwanted debris. Think of it as a giant flat spoon for your pool. See those leaves doing the backstroke on your pool surface? Time to send them packing. Skim gently across the water, scooping up those leafy trespassers. Don't forget the corners. Leaves love to hide there, plotting their next pool party invasion. A quick skim every day keeps your pool sparkling and leaf-free. Remember, a clean pool starts with a clear surface. Now, wasn't that easy? You're already a pool cleaning superstar in the making. Next up, let's talk about algae. Those tiny green troublemakers can turn your pool into a swamp if you're not careful. Fear not, for we have a secret weapon, the mighty pool brush. This handy tool scrubs away algae before it takes over. Brush the walls and floor of your pool regularly. Pay special attention to corners and steps where algae love to hang out. Think of it as giving your pool a nice, relaxing massage. And hey, who doesn't love a good massage? Your pool will thank you for it. We've tackled the surface. We've battled the algae. Now it's time for the grand finale, vacuuming. Don't worry, we're not talking about your living room rug here. Pool vacuums are specially designed to suck up dirt and debris from your pool's floor. There are different types of pool vacuums, but they all have the same goal, a sparkling clean pool bottom. Follow the instructions for your specific vacuum, and you'll be good to go. Imagine it, crystal clear water from the surface all the way down. You'll practically be able to see your reflection. Okay, maybe not quite, but you get the idea. Now, let's dive into the slightly more technical stuff. Pool chemicals, don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it as adding a pinch of this and a dash of that to keep your pool happy. First up, chlorine. Chlorine is your best friend when it comes to keeping your pool clean and sanitized. It kills bacteria and algae, keeping the water safe for swimming. You can use chlorine tablets, granules, or even a liquid form. Just follow the instructions on the packaging carefully. Too much chlorine can be harsh, and too little won't do the trick. Remember, safety first. Always handle pool chemicals with caution and store them properly. We want you to be a pool cleaning pro, not a pool cleaning patient. Next on our chemical adventure, pH levels. What are those, you ask? Well, pH measures how acidic or basic your pool water is. The ideal pH level for a pool is between 7.2 and 7.8. Too high or too low, and you could have problems. Don't worry, testing your pH level is easy peasy. You can use test strips or a liquid test kit. Just follow the instructions and you'll know exactly where your pH stands. If your pH is off, you can adjust it with chemicals like pH increaser or pH reducer. Again, follow the instructions carefully and you'll be back in balance in no time. Section 7. Keep it flowing, filters and pumps. Now let's talk about two very important pieces of equipment, your pool filter and pump. These guys are the unsung heroes of pool maintenance. Think of your pump as the heart of your pool's circulation system. It pulls water from the pool, pushes it through the filter, and then sends it back out, all nice and clean. Your filter is like the kidneys of your pool. It removes all the dirt, debris, and other nasties that your pump has collected. Make sure to run your pump and filter for the recommended amount of time each day. This will keep your water circulating and prevent any unwanted gunk from settling in. Section 8. Backwashing, like a spa day for your filter. Remember your pool filter, the hard-working kidney of your pool? Well, just like you need to detoxify every now and then, so does your filter. That's where backwashing comes in. Backwashing is basically just reversing the flow of water through your filter, flushing out all the gunk that's built up inside. It's a simple process, but it's important to do it regularly. How often? It depends on your pool and how often you use it. Check your filter's instructions for specific guidelines. Trust me, your filter will thank you for it. And a happy filter means a happy, clean pool. It's a win-win situation. Section 9. Common pool care boo-boos and how to avoid them. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground here. You're well on your way to becoming a pool cleaning pro. But before we wrap up, let's have a little fun and talk about some common pool care mistakes. Don't worry, we've all been there. The important thing is to learn from our blunders and avoid repeating them. One common mistake is forgetting to run the pool pump long enough. Remember, circulation is key. Make sure your pump is running for the recommended amount of time each day to keep your water clean and clear. Another common mistake is not testing the water chemistry regularly. pH levels and chlorine levels can fluctuate, so it's important to stay on top of it. And last but not least, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're ever unsure about something, don't hesitate to contact a pool professional. Section 10. Dive in. You've got this. Congratulations, my friend. You've made it to the end of our whirlwind tour of pool maintenance for beginners. Give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. I know it might seem like a lot to remember, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. Just take it one step at a time and you'll be a pool cleaning pro in no time. Remember, the key is consistency. A little bit of effort each day goes a long way in keeping your pool sparkling clean and inviting. So go ahead, dive in and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've earned it. And hey, if anyone asks you for pool care advice, you can confidently share your newfound wisdom. Happy swimming!